this video is gonna be like a clothing haul. I got like a few pieces, not like too much, and I also will be showing you guys a clip of my birthday outfit and a few new pieces. And I only got one thing I want to like do like in this like set right now, like me filming. I just want to try on the blue top for you guys, just to let you guys see it, because I never wore it. Like I never like personally had one for myself, so this is gonna be the first. I tried it on, but like I never like felt like posted myself in it, so like I think why not, let's just do it for shits and giggles, and let's just see. Are you guys ready? Let me just set this back. What I'm gonna do, hold on, let me just camera angle this camel. Camel who? I'm just gonna say this last piece, then I'm gonna like get into the actual video. But I think I'm gonna, you know, clip off the like raw ends and like really like finish it. It just needs to be like these strings and stuff just need to be like fastened off and tightened and stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is do that, and then I'm gonna insert a number somewhere in this video, so you need to watch the entire video, okay? And the first person that I see to comment the number, you're gonna get this top. Yeah. It was just in my closet, like not doing anything. It's perfectly done. I just need to fasten it off, and I would like to see it go to someone that, you know, dope. Let me just show you a few pieces that I got. Okay, 1 second. Let me just cut through chase. Let me just get to it. Okay, so I made this red one. I might put it somewhere. So like this red one, and I can show you like a video of me wearing it and stuff, just so you could get like the feel of it. Okay, hold on. Let me like put it better and like bring the legs out. Tell me this is not adorable. And then I made a pink version, so cute, and I made a black version. So this is how it looks. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, you can't tell me that's not the cutest thing ever. Like literally, that's just like a sneak peek, nothing too crazy. So like there's black, red, pink, brown, but the brown is for like me, like a limited, like, you know, just so that I could also be a part of it but not wear the same exact colors. So that's it for like the shorts. These shorts will, I don't know if I want to, I don't know, let me know if I should do a tutorial on the shorts. They're really cute. They fit really, really cute, and I think they pair well with everything. I don't know, I would wear it with anything. So yeah, very cute, very stretchy, very soft. I use 100% cotton, so it's not gonna be like how acrylic yarn feels really like scratchy on the skin. No, it's really wearable, really soft. And I'm also including how to care and how to wash packaging and like info and stuff with my shipping now, because I realized that I haven't been doing that, but I will be doing like a full detailed like sheet for how to wash and stuff. Anyways, the next things I got were, let me just go grab them really quick. Hold on. But yep, these are all I got from Garage, and I will show you piece by piece. Yeah, it's a asymmetrical top. It ties right here like a little bow, and this is how it looks. I will be inserting like a picture of like somebody wearing it. But second is this two-piece set. Is like I got this on sale. I wasn't gonna get a two-piece set, but it was also matching my hair. So it was like these pants are really soft. I got a size medium, so it a bit oversized. I like big bottoms and small tops, so I got the jacket in a small. So it was really cute little piece. And also, again, I will show you over here, I got this little romper like thing. So cute and so soft. I haven't worn it yet, but I just need to, I don't know why I haven't worn it yet. It's really cute though. So these, like long, and there's like raw hem. I love the raw hem. I love it. Absolutely, 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 absolutely. And then this top, tell me this is not, I might try this one on just for shits and giggles. No, I'm not gonna try it on, because if I try it on, I need to try everything on. This is an Amazon set. Look, we on Amazon now. I got one set from Amazon, and I put 4 more in cart, different colors, the exact same set, nothing else. A cute fold over set. Oh, come on. And it's really long as well, and it comes with a matching like top. Hold on, let me just, and it's like a fitted. It's so tight, like it literally snug. I bought this in a size small. And I also got lip balm. Look how cute it is. Anyways, I'm done. Okay, bye.